I'm Laura. I'm a lactation consultant, and I wanted to go over with you how to properly use your My Best Friend pillow and really what the differences are with the Super Deluxe pillow. With the Super Deluxe pillow, it has a nice firm cushion so baby is not sleeping down. It's not really one of those plush pillows, so it helps to keep baby up at breast. It has a nice wraparound design to give you some great back support back here, and then it also closes off completely flush against your abdomen, which allows for baby to not roll inwards or have that gaping hole there that you might experience with some other pillows. I know you know what I'm talking about. So we've had a lot of questions about kind of our Velcro release versus the clasp here and how to properly use those. With the Velcro release, you are able to release it to adjust however tight you want it against your body. With that being said, fresh after delivery, fresh after a C-section, you may not want it super tight against your body. The great thing with the My Best Friend is it's gonna keep your baby up at the breast versus you having to hunch down and put that pressure on your abdomen. So whenever you're needing to tighten it or loosen it, that's when you're going to release that Velcro here. Whenever you're wanting to just take it off, maybe baby is done sleeping or fell asleep during a feed and you're wanting to transition over to their bassinet, you're simply going to unclasp here and then you're able to remove the pillow versus using the Velcro function, which may startle and waken baby. Another great feature is that this pocket is here on all of our Super Deluxe editions. This is going to help hold your nipple butter, nipple shield if you're having to use it, snacks, chapstick, whatever you need handy while you're breastfeeding your baby. These little things here, we get a lot of questions about that. These are actually to help you remember which breast you fed off of last. And so all you have to do is simply tuck it in to know which side you need to start on the next time. So left or right. So that's another great kind of feature that a lot of people don't realize. This fabric is super soft, it's super plush, but you can also take this off whenever you have a diaper blowout, maybe you had some milk leak onto it, maybe baby spit up on it. So you take this off, you throw it in the washing machine, and then the cover that is underneath that protects the foam is plastic, and so there's actually nothing harming the foam underneath either. So you're completely covered, and then the pillow isn't worried about deteriorating. There's also some little bumps here on either side. Not sure if you can tell in the video, but these are going to help to support your wrist and your elbow while you're feeding in multiple different positions as well. So this again is the Super Deluxe pillow. It is my preferred pillow when I am doing home consults with my moms. If you have any other questions, just let us know.